Doctor's Recipes sent me this NAD Plus for my review, and I'm excited to open it up and check it out for the very first time. So this is a 7-in-1 formula, and on the back this is saying that you are meant to be taking 2 capsules at a time. And you know, for me, taking pills often can be a challenge, just depending. So I always like to know, you know, how easily they are to swallow, because that's important. Because let's be honest, if it is too difficult to swallow, or if there's like a strange aftertaste or anything like that, we all know that we're not going to end up using them. No like crazy weird smell, so that's always a bonus. So yeah, just your regular capsule size. So let's go ahead and make sure that it is easy to swallow. Yep, very easy. Obviously goes down. Of course, because it is in that like capsule, you definitely need some water, or else it'd be like stuck in your throat. But yeah, definitely if you are looking for some NAD Plus, I think this stuff is really great. And because they're so easy to swallow, definitely something that could be added into your daily routine.